Hi guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to my channel, Robin Concepts on YouTube. So today, ituturo natin how to draw a triangle, which is, this is for the tutorial for the DICT examination. This is only a review guys. So this is not a proper code na ibibigay ng DICT para um, para sa exam. This is just a reference on how to do it. Okay. So first, um, it depends on the language that we are going to use. So for me, I'm going to use the bb.net. Kasi iba naman yung C Sharp, yung syntax, no? So iba naman yung si Visual Basic.net. So pero .net lahat yan, no? VB at saka C Sharp. So we're going to open the Visual Studio. So for now we are using Visual Studio 2019. Okay. Then from here we are going to create new project. Then console. So we are going to select Visual Basic, then Windows, desktop, okay, console, okay, so that madali mong makita, okay. So console application, so this is it. So kailangan mong tingnan maigi if C Sharp or Visual Basic, okay, so dapat Visual Basic, okay. So next. Okay, so we will rename this project to triangle. Okay, then next, then create. Okay, so we have here the module, which is the program. So here, so we can rename that program into triangle at the same time. So we'll rename this to triangle. Okay, then yes. Okay, so automatically the triangle here, a program, what I mean here, replaced with a triangle. So we're gonna start here. So we are going to delete this one, or we can proceed to this line of code. So for that, so we are going to create a text line which is called draw a triangle. So this line will be your header. Okay, when the program execute. Okay. Then we're going to write console.write, then close and open parentheses, double quotation. So this what I mean right line. This right line will create another space, in empty space, to the another line. Okay. So then we're going to write console.write, then open close parenthesis, quotation, enter length of a triangle. Okay, so here you are going to write, when the program execute, you can write the number of um, rows and columns to create a triangle. Then we are going to create a variable here, length as integer equals to int, so open parenthesis, then read console that read line open parenthesis. Okay, so we are going to create a while loop here, while length is not equals to 0, then so it will execute if the length if the so another thing, guys, we need to be careful with our naming convention. So we are going to use camel case. Yeah, that's the thing. So instead of underscore, so we're going to use the camel case. Okay. So for row as integer equals to 0 to length. To length negative 1. Okay. So why we are using the negative 1 here? Okay. For this for loop, which is the row, the name is row, variable name is row, we'll execute a loop. How many loop? Or we've entered here in our length. Okay. Next, we will create another loop. So this is just for a row. Then we will create another loop for our column. So for call as integer equals to 0 to row. Okay. Then we are going to write console dot write asterisk then space. Okay, so that's the thing. So in here, so yeah, so we have the closing while here. Okay, so we'll try this code if it is running. Yeah, so run. Okay, so draw a triangle. So we have here, we draw a triangle, right line, then the space, which is the right line, the empty space here, then enter a length of a triangle here. Okay, then we're going to enter 5 if if it will execute and draw a triangle with a 5 uh, columns. Okay, whoops, 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 whoops. So this is not working properly what we expected. Okay, so we stop this out. Okay, length is equals to 0, so we're going to debug this out. Okay, so we are going to put a uh, console that read key here. Then next this we're going to console that right line. Okay, so we are going to try this out again. So enter length 5. Okay, so it's looping. Okay, it's looping. So we have the 5 here, but it's looping every time. Okay, so while and while. Okay. So it must be stopped. Console that right line. Then you try to run 5 here. Oh, still it's looping, but we have here the triangle now. So if length is equals to 0, okay. Okay, so we are going to add another line here, line of code here. So console that right. So we are going to copy here, copy, paste. Then let we're going to copy this one. Okay, we're going to run this out. Right. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so we have here the um, the number of columns, which is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of rows is also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the thing, how it works. Okay? So then we're good. It's loops every time. So enter another length of a triangle. So for example, we're going to enter 6. So that's the thing. 7. Okay. What if we are going to enter 0? What will happen? So 0, then nothing happens. Okay? So if we are going to enter key here, so it will close or terminate our program. Okay? So for 0, so we are going to create another line here. Console dot write line. Thank you for using the system. So we're going to copy here another console right here to create another space. Okay. All right. So that's the thing. That's the code. Okay. So we're going to run this out. Okay. We're going to create enter a number of 5. Okay. 5, 6, 10, then 0. Thank you for using the system and enter. So that's the thing. So yeah, so this is just a reference on how to create a triangle using loop. Okay, so hanggang sa muli, no. So if you did not subscribe already with my channel, so just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're updated for my latest upload. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I Bye bye.